There are a couple important things you need to keep in mind when making Twitch emotes. First and foremost is that they are small. People will struggle to see them if they're too detailed and complicated. Here are some ways to make your emotes stand out. So emotes are usually a kind of facial expression, so it's best to have the emote focus on the head, and if you show a bit of shoulder and arms, you can usually still see what's going on. If you're trying to show a whole body, it's best to split it into multiple emotes, or make sure it's a very simple version that can easily be recognized. Now, what specifically can be done to make these pop out? One is to use thick, bold lines, especially on the outside of the emote or around interesting parts. Second is to keep the colors simple. Don't go crazy on rendering because you'll be drawing details that no one will really be able to see. It also helps to use vibrant colors or to have a bold highlight on parts like the hair. Really look at other people's emotes to see what makes them stand out and use those techniques on yours. I hope this helped a little. If you're struggling choosing what emotes to make, check out my previous video on it. See you later. Bye bye!